Hey, Crunchified Clean friends, here is a vacuuming tip when vacuuming a large space. First off, you want to use an extension cord. An extension cord is your best friend when vacuuming a large space because I have more cord to use. What I like to do is when I know I'm going to vacuum this side first, and then I'm going to move over to this side next, what I'll do is I'll plug my cord into the furthest outlet from where I'm going to begin. I'm going to begin from there, and I'm going to vacuum up to here where the outlet is. And then I'm going to turn and then keep vacuuming that way so that I'm using one outlet to cover all this space. I'm going to start from there, come over here, turn around, keep going that way. Then I'm going to unplug that outlet. I'm not going to unplug the outlet. I'm going to unplug the cord from the outlet, unplug it, then come down to where I am over here with the vacuum cleaner. And now I know I'm going to go and vacuum this space. So I'm going to plug it into the outlet furthest from where I'm going to start, all the way over here. So then I'll start back over there and then work my way up this way where the outlet is, turn, and then go that way. So I'm only using two outlets with one extension cord to vacuum all four sides of a large space. So wherever I have the vacuum, wherever I'm going to start the vacuum from over there, I'm going to plug it in the outlet opposite of where I'm going to start. I'm going to plug it into where I'm going to end. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. But the tip is to get an extension cord when vacuuming. So now you're going to see me do it in action. It makes life so much easier when I have the cord plugged in on the opposite side of where I'm going to start. Because then I'm coming this way. And the cord's going to come with me. And I'm going to keep on going that way. And it's plugged into one outlet. So I don't have to constantly move the cords around. Extension cord is your best friend. Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Another vacuum tip, if you have an extremely large area rug that you are not going to lift up off the ground, or for example, this sponge mat that is on the ground, lift up the edge and run your vacuum cleaner all around under the rug. Lift it up, kind of lay it on the vacuum cleaner and vacuum whatever you can underneath it.